Hey there, this is the What's Up side project. My Singer 239 is jammed. What's up with that? So this is a wonderful Singer 239 and it's a straight stitch machine. And this is early 60s, 1960s. So we're coming out of aluminum tops and bodies and that. This top here is plastic, but the gears are still all steel. But it's the early 60s and we're starting to approach planned obsolescence. However, wanted to do some sewing the other day. When I hit the foot pedal, it started and then it jammed. So I haven't touched it since really, except to put it up there. What I do notice about this case and sewing machine, there is an electrical receptacle there. So this is able to be plugged into a wall receptacle and it will give two more receptacles in here. So that's a little bit unique. I've seen that before, but it's more rare than it occurs. But it's really a clean machine, and so this is just a little side video about my little issue, and I am going to make a video about that after we look under there. But what's coming up? You know, what's up? The 202-2 is going to be the next video in about 3 days, and it's either going to be something really simple like the tension device, which I doubt. More than likely, even if I don't dissect or do surgery on the hook gear and the horizontal, you know, the driving gear, the hook driving gear underneath, I will at least set the stage for that, you know, because I'm going to get into that 201-2 hook, because I had a pretty good, actually the 201-3 hook video that I did, I don't know, a couple of years ago or whatever, that's the #1 video on the Jeb Adams channel. So that's what's coming up. Is I'm going to do this as a side project. This will show up in the next day or two, 2 or 3, but also there'll be a 201-2 video. The 411G is a parts machine now because I had to drill out a brass screw that was holding on the light cover to get into the inside. So that's toast. What else can I tell you? Looking at my I've already said that I'm going to sew with this. So once I get it first working and show you what the problem was, then there'll be sewing videos with me stabbing my fingers with the needle and all that stuff. But so coming up, I will still have another 201-2 video in 3 days, followed by the 301A motor video after that, because I want to get that 301 motor video. I want to get it back inside the machine. So I got to do it. I got to deal with it. What's next on? Is that the last? Oh, there's one more note on the back of this page. Oh, it says, please like, subscribe, and hit the notifications bell. Listen, I hope that, let's get into this right here quick, and let's see how we're lined up. So there's a bottom view, and it really is a somewhat clean machine. You know, just scan up there to the hook end a little, and then we'll go back. But look how, you know, those rods are pretty shiny. They're certainly not grunged up with varnish. And of course there's always a little bit of grubbiness at the bottom of a vertical shaft or whatever, but it's in pretty good shape. And let's take a quick look at the top before we finish here. So here I am at the top. I've already got the screws off, and I actually put the 3 screws, just for now, I put them down in this little cavity here. And if you look back there, there's a duplex electrical receptacle. Like I can plug 2 electric plugs in there if I like. And so that's a great feature. The top here comes the top off. And what I can tell you about the top is that it's not, you know, it's not any kind of aluminum like the 400 series and 500 series machines are. their tops are all still, you know, the aluminum. This is plastic top, but everything else is still the aluminum or what have you, whatever they're using. What is really cool is, let me move the whole thing a little closer, and you know, you can see how nice and really empty that is. That is really so sweet to see. And I mean, there's not a lot of grunge, you know, varnish and that kind of stuff. So this is going to be an easy clean. I am going to quickly oil the lid screws. They go 1, 2, and 3. So we'll get them oiled up and we'll put the screws back in there, and we'll find out why it's binding. It rotates freely by hand, but like I said, with the foot pedal, it wasn't working correctly. So that's kind of where I'm at. I want to, you know, say hi and bye. Please have fun. Stay safe. I would also like you to, I'd also like to ask you, if I may, to please subscribe, like, and hit the notification bell. And then every time there's a movie, film here published, you'll get a little heads up kind of thing. And but anyway, adios amigos, and take care of yourselves. Enjoy your machines.